is not even half throttle. Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2007 Mercedes E320 BlueTec. This is the diesel version, and what makes this car super unique is that it only has 73,000 miles and it's in the most pristine shape that you can possibly imagine. All original. Here's the key, and I want to say a huge thank you to Automotion Inc. of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. I will attach all the information in the description and in the right hand corner side of the screen. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful, phenomenal example, reach out to them. But let's fire this beauty up and go take a look around the car. Just take a look at how clean this Mercedes is. And through all the years that I've been filming cars, I don't think I've ever come across a cleaner Mercedes. No kidding. You can definitely tell it's a diesel. It's got that click, 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 click. Has a sunshade in the back. Just look at the body of this car. It's phenomenal. Let's check out the rear seats. Of course, we have these heavy quality doors, all original glass everywhere. Side airbags right here in the door. Cubby works, window works. The wood is in perfect shape. And look at this, the seats look like they're brand new. So does the headliner. All right, let's up in here. So I'm 6'2" and feels very comfortable in here. The door is heavy. You can tell how solid this all is. This was the time when Mercedes really made solid cars that could go for 500, 700,000 miles easily, just like these ones. They are very common in Europe as taxis, or at least they used to be. And there were drivers who put almost 1,000,000 kilometers on them with ease. And then the odometer would reset. But look at this. Lots of space, perfect practicality. Even the trunk looks brand new, like it's flawless. All factory floor mats. Now this was probably the best E-Class you could buy in the lineup, one of the best at least, beside the E550. And then with Mercedes, it's really easy. You just pull this thing and that's it, and you open the hood. It's got a V6 turbo diesel. Look at how clean everything is. I think we're good to go. Let's go hop in. So here we have memory seats, auto adjustable seats. Also, what's crazy is the wood on the steering wheel. It's not even cracked or anything. It's just flawless.
Or it looks unused.
It looks unused, exactly. This all works. This works. Boom. There. Oops. There. It's lighted too.
There's the double.
That's a double visor. That is some German engineering.
That's cool.
I love it. We got dual zone climate. Let's do a wiper test. Horn works good. Even the headrest here can automatically fold if you press this. No, like right here. And then we got the lock, unlock, boom. Mercedes-Benz. Drive, let's see. And we can look through different information. All right, let's get going. first impression is this car just floats like on air. Smooth, heavy steering in a good way. You got to put just a little bit of effort to get it going, but it's still very plush, and it takes its good time when you turn. The blinky is also nice and loud and deep. Soft dashboard. No, this is mint. Nice. Alrighty. There's so much torque here. It's insane. This is like 1/3 of the pedal.
Crazy.
I'm not even touching it. Look at this.
What is diesel?
I'm barely touching the gas pedal right now.
Already flying.
Insane. No, this is insane. And it rides so good. It rides like on air.
Crazy. The car is still there. Poor guy.
Yeah. No, this drives. The torque is amazing. Even the wipers have a Mercedes badge on them.
That's so cute. There's a
There's
CD
no
slot too.
Yeah, it's a CD.
There's nothing in there.
Compact disc. So with this car, there's no effort that you have to put in to accelerate. It's just always in the right power band. There's a ton of torque here. Excellent acceleration. You do not feel speed in this car.
No.
At all.
You're just like flying but floating.
Floating, yeah. Whew. Oh boy.
No, the phone's ogres.
See the good thing with this car, it's so discreet and so low key. Nobody would think it's like somebody's flying in this thing. It just looks so low key.
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Police car.
Ooh. No, of course not. I can keep up with him easily. I just press the gas a little bit and I'm right behind him. Just a little bit. This is a perfect car to take like on a long road trip like to Florida or something. You can just
Especially
put it.
It's great on gas.
You put some coffee right here.
There you go.
Some good 50s doo-wop music. And that's it. You're just chilling at that point, yeah. And you can steer this car just like that. That's how easy it is to drive. Just with a pinky. It's just with a pinky. And it's so responsive, too. Transmission is so smooth. You gotta drive this. You're gonna love this.
Oh man. So smooth.
Effortless. I I'll literally just describe this as very effortless. This is not even half throttle. Alright, let's go do a 0 to 60 test up next.
30. 60.
And the crazy thing is the 0 to 60 here, the numbers don't do it justice because it just has so much usable passing power and torque. Who cares if the 0 to 60 is like in the 7s? It just has so much usable power all the time on the tap when you're cruising.
Yeah.
Like accelerating and passing, like it's just effortless. And other cars actually have to put an effort to try to even partially keep up. Like, I think this thing moves. Yes. Thank you. Let's see. Cornering capabilities. Very good. It's tight. It's nice and tight on the turns. See what I mean? It's just always on the right power band.
You don't even feel it shift.
You don't feel it. That's the beauty of it. It's so good. Well, folks, this summarizes today's test drive. I hope you all enjoyed it, had fun here. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. We'd definitely love to hear your feedback. And again, this car, as of now, it is for sale. So if anybody is interested in purchasing it, make sure to reach out to Automotioning because these kind of cars do generally go very fast. So that's why if you're interested in it, get it. It's phenomenal. It drives like a new car. But smash that like and subscribe button. And till next time.